Hello and welcome to Zimstek Media. In some latest developments, Zimbabwe police and the public are being asked to assist in locating Natasha Mashoko, a Form 1 student at Marlborough High School who was reported missing after leaving home for school. It is said that Natasha left home around 6:45 a.m. yesterday, which was a Tuesday, but did not arrive at school. She was last seen wearing her school uniform, a navy blue slack, navy blue blazer, and a sky blue shirt. Anyone with information on her whereabouts is urged to contact her family immediately on 0777 229 989 or report to the nearest police station. Authorities are appealing to members of the public to share the alert widely, as every share increases the chances of bringing Natasha home safely. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.